Yeah, this homeowner contacted us, said their dryer wasn't working right. When we came in and inspected it, saw that they were using a flexible transition hose to vent the dryer, which one wasn't code compliant, but also not the best choice to allow your dryer to vent properly, and it accumulates lint, so it really causes is susceptible to causing blockages along the way. So we replaced it with a code compliant 4-inch rigid system, installed a Dryer-Ell at the bend, so increases efficiency, and then installed a dryer wall vent at the termination point, which reduces back pressure and allows the lint to escape the system. So please enjoy the video, and thanks a lot.